Hello friends, how are you? I hope everybody is doing well. Today I'm going to talk about a fantastic tool that is used for research purposes. So if you are a researcher, if you are an MS student or you are a PhD student, then this video is for you. So let's jump into it. So SciSpace is a platform that you can use for research purposes. It has many features. So let's discuss one by one. There is a folder called library, my library. So everything that you will search in your SciSpace, you can also save your content in this library, and you can call them notebooks. Okay. Next, SciSpace has launched a quite new feature a few days ago. It is a paid feature. We will not talk about it right now. We will talk about it later. The next option is chat with PDF. So if you have a PDF, if you have downloaded a paper from any source, then you can chat with it. Let's try this feature. So we will have to upload a PDF. So we will upload a PDF, for instance, data science fast track. Okay, so now it is asking us that where do you want to save this? So I'm asking it to save it in notebooks, or I can also create a new folder if I want. I'm uploading this into my notebooks. So when the file will be uploaded, then we will be able to talk about that PDF. We can raise questions, we can ask queries, and we can fetch any information that is there in that file by asking simple questions uh, in the command prompt. Alright, the file has been uploaded and saved to the library, and now you can see that it's loading, and the title of the PDF file is Data Science Fast Track. Actually, this is a brochure for a data science course. So after that, if we want to summarize the whole text in this document, we can click this summary. Otherwise, we can ask questions from here. Okay, so this is the place where you can write different questions that what is the deadline of the course. Okay, so we can ask this question or any other question. Okay, what is the course outline, this and that. As you can see that this is the PDF that's been down uploaded. So methodology, okay, why join us, eligibility, okay, then who should enroll, and our partners. All right, Python for data science, then Power BI. Okay, so everything is written over here. So all right, so let's what is the eligibility criteria? Let's see if it answers this question or not. All right, so you can see that it has answered this question well. Let's compare it to the text that is here. So here we have the eligibility criteria. You can see uh, as data scientist starts from analysis till decision making. That's why data scientist is considered as a research region. All right, so it has rephrased this question as well, and it has answered this. So you can use this feature if you want to talk about your paper. Then the very important feature is literature review. So if you want to do literature review for any of the topic, then you can use this command. Here we have three categories. Number one is standard, number two is high quality, and number three is the deep review. The difference between these options is that in standard it looks for less number of papers, and in deep review it looks for more number of papers. All right. So for instance, if let's do standard review. So if I want to review, okay, so what is the role of AI in online teaching? Online teaching. Okay, so for instance, if I have this question, so now you can see that there are three ready-made prompts that you can use instead of the simple prompt, that how can AI power tools enhance the personalization of online teaching for improved students' outcomes. So if we like this, we can choose this one and we will hit enter. After that, we will have this review. As you can see that the answer is coming from top 5 papers. Okay, but if you will use this high quality or deep review, then the number of papers will be more than 5, and you can see 5 papers. Then you can also click on 10 papers, top 10 papers. I have clicked on top 10 papers, and it is also showing this. So this is an excellent tool that you can use. And here you can have other customizable options that add different columns. So we can add these columns like paper, insight, results, method use, the score of the model used, performance metrics. Okay, so these are the optional number of columns that you can add. All right. If you want to take PDFs, then you can check this option. So only PDFs will be shown. Then there is an option open access. Then we have top papers, and then we can click on more options to select last 3 years or from year this to that. So if we want last 3 years paper, so we can select that. We can also narrow down the publication type. Okay, and we can select any specific journal if we want, and then we can select some conferences, etc. Or we can use these keywords as well. So let's apply these filters and see our results. So these are the results that are based on our customized filters. So you can see this paper's PDF is already here, its a summary is here, then its the podcast is also here. You can chat to this PDF. These are important insights. These are the results. Okay, so you can see that SEM users achieved 96.8% answer accuracy in knowledge test. Okay, so these are the results, and if they have used any models, then they will list over here. Then the score of the model, SEM achieved this and that. All right, so performance matrix is also same. So this is how you can do your literature review, and you can see 10 papers out of 100 are visible here. You can explore them one by one, and after exploring 10 papers, you can load more papers until you explore all the 100 papers. All right. Other than that, here you can see the summary, and you can see a very crisp text over here. So personalized learning experience, and if you will see here, so all the references are also given. Okay, so you can click this and you can go to that specific paper and you can read in detail. real-time feedback and engagement, teacher support and instructional efficiency, challenges and concentrations. So you can save it to your notebook. Okay, so if you will click here, you can save it to your notebook. Otherwise, you can select where do you want to save it. All right. So right now I do not want to save it, so I'll press escape. So this is how you can conduct your literature review. But if you will do this deep review, then the number of papers will become 20, top 20 papers, and then overall number of paper will be almost 300 to 400 papers. Okay, so the next feature is AI Writer. So if we click it, you can see it asks us to choose any template, or we can start our own writing. Okay, so here we have the templates available. Okay, auto complete your thoughts, cite your right, limited only by your imagination, and this and that. Choose a template. If you want to choose any template, you can choose research proposal, literature review, abstract writing, thesis statement, essay writing. So let's say I write a research proposal. So I'll click it. The template will be opened in front of me, and I'll have to give a topic like on how uh, chat GPT is helping students. Okay, so let's create a project proposal for this topic. So you can see the headings are already here. Okay, so research proposal on the impact of chatbot on student learning, introduction. Now if you will press a tab, then this paragraph will be added. Okay, same after a few moments or seconds, it will give us another paragraph. Okay, I'll press tab and it will be included. Okay, so it is writing continuously, and it is aware of this context. If you will read this text, the integration of chatbot into educational settings presents both opportunities and challenges for enhancing student learning experiences, the potential for personalized learning, and so you can see that all the paragraphs are connected. Similarly, if we want to write background, then we can leave it for a while and it will automatically add. We will press the tab. But if we want to write the background and citation as well, then we will have to press backslash. Okay, so when you will press backslash, then it will uh, give you these options, and I'll ask it to continue writing with citation. So if I will click this, then it will start writing and it will give citations as well. So I'll accept it, and you can see the background has been written and all the citations are automatically added. Literature review table, and it is taking some references from the literature review table that had been created a few days ago, and this is it. Secondly, you can complete all these headings yourself, like I have completed. Okay, so this is how you can write your proposal or essay. Next, we have find topics. Find topics is similar. Okay, so you will write any topic, for example, this topic. Okay, so it will give us this information with references. All right. All right. So you can see that on this topic, benchmarks for evaluation of large language models, top 10 topics. Okay, so these are the topics you can see, and these are the topics, these are the references. Okay, so these are the references.